Our J trims come in a seated length of 3.6 metres long. In a circumstance where your wall is longer than 3.6 metres, we will then need to cut a tab out on the back of our J trim. First step is to mark 20mm on the back and bottom of your J trim, transferring that mark over to the top of your J trim. Next step will be to grab a pair of tin snips and cut along the line you just marked. Ensuring that you do not cut too far over the front edge, because this will be seen and exposed, and will also be used as a tab to slot inside the other J trim. Now we need to cut the top edge of the J trim, which will leave you with the tab. The whole purpose of the tab is to tie the two J trims together and give a nice clean finish. As you can see here, the tab slides straight into the groove of the other J trim.